Hello everyone, welcome to Lunyal classes. Students, today we are going to do the MCQ of Development Economics Chapter 1 Class 10th. In this video, you will find 40 MCQ questions. Each question has 4 options in which one option is correct. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Okay, let's start our video. Question 1. Per capita income heights. Option A. Disparities. B. Average income. C. Total population. D. None of these. Correct option is A. Disparities. Question 2. The total number of children attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group is called. Option A. Net attendance ratio. B. Literacy rate. C. Level of education. D. Gross enrollment ratio. Correct option is A. Net attendance ratio. Question 4. Which of the following neighboring countries has better performance in the term of human development than India? Option A. Bangladesh. B. Sri Lanka. C. Nepal. D. Pakistan. Correct option is B. Sri Lanka. Question 5. Assume there are 4 families in a country. The average per capita income of these families is 5,000. If the income of these families is rupees 4,000, 7,000, 3,000 respectively, what is the income of 4th family? Option A 7,500, B 3,000, C 2,000, D 6,000. Correct option is D 6,000. Question 6. The calculation of per capita income of all countries is made in option A. Rupees. B. Dollars. C. Yen. D. Pounds. Correct option is B. Dollars. Question 7. Which organization publish the Human Development Report? Option A. UNO. B. WHO. C. UNDP. D. World Bank. Correct option is C. UNDP. Question 8. Besides seeking more income, people also want option A. Equal treatment. B. Freedom. C. Security. D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. Question 9. A person is considered as overweight if his BMI is option A. More than 25. B. Less than 18. C. Less than 20. D. Less than 22. Correct option is A. More than 25. Question 10. Which one is not an important goal of our life? Option A. Good education. B. Blood donation. C. High salaried job. D. Facilities for going abroad. Correct option is B. Blood donation. Question 11. The full form of PDS is option A. Private Development System. B. Public Development System. C. Pure Domestic System. D. Public Distribution System. Correct option is D. Public Distribution System. Question 12. Underground water is a option A renewable resource, B non-renewable resource, C reserve stock, D none of these. Correct option is A renewable resource. Question 13. Development goal for landless agriculture labor is option A high price for crops, B more days of work, C cheap labor, D settled in abroad. Correct option is B more days of work. Question 14. If industrialists want more dams, then why do local people resist it? Option A. They will be displaced. B. Their lands will be submerged. C. There will be no source of earning for them. D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question 15. IMR stands for option A infant mortality ratio, B Indian mortality ratio, C international mortality ratio, D none of these. Correct option is A infant mortality ratio. Question 16. Among Haryana, Kerala and Bihar, the lowest per capita income state is Bihar. It shows that option A. Bihar has high standard of living. B. People are earning less in Kerala. C. Haryana has more number of rich people. D. On average, people in Bihar have low income. Correct option is D. On average, people in Bihar has low income. Question 17. People may have different development goals. What is development for one may even be dash for the other. Option A destructive, B constructive, C same, D equal. Correct option is destructive for other. Question 18. Which among the following is not a public facility? Option A transport and electricity, B road and bridges, C private school, D government hospitals. Correct option is C private school. Question 19. Economic development by maintaining the natural resource for present and future generation is known as plant development, B human development index, C sustainable development, D development. Correct option is C sustainable development. Question 20. The dash helps in maintaining the nutritional level of poor people by providing food at lower cost. Option A BMI, B GNI, C PDS, D HDI. Correct option is C PDS. Question 21. The Human Development Report HDR published by UNDP compares countries based on literacy rate, health status and dash. Option A national income, B per capita income, C both A and B, D none of these. Correct option is B per capita income. Question 22. Total income of the country divided by its total population is known as option A capital income, B national income, C per capita income, D GDP. Correct option is C per capita income. Question 23. Proportion of literate population in the 7 and above age group is called as option A knowledge rate, B literacy rate, C attendance rate, D excellence rate. Correct option is B, literacy rate. Question 24. For calculating body mass index, weight of the person is divided by the option A, square of weight, square of height, C, square root of height, D, square of the sum of height and weight. Correct option is B, square of height. Question 25. Money cannot buy all the goods and services that we may need to have a good life. A list of things required for good life is given below. Which among the following are things money cannot buy? Option A, full protection from infectious disease. B, high quality education. C, a luxury home. D, bike. Correct option is A, full protection from infectious disease. Question 16. Which of the following resources is a non-renewable energy resource? Option A, solar radiations. B, crude oil. C, wind energy. D, tidal energy. Correct option is B, crude oil. Question 27. Literacy rate measures the proportion of literate population in the dash age above group. Option A, 5, B, 6, C, 7, D, 8. Correct option is 7. Question 28. Kerala has lowest infant mortality rate. Which of the following is appropriate reason for the same? Option A, it has adequate provision of basic health. B, it has higher per capita income. C, it has natural resource. D, the government is Kerala is very efficient. Correct option is A, it has adequate provision of basic health. Question 29. Life expectancy at birth means. Option A, average expected length of the life of a person at the time of death. Average expected length of the life of a person at the time of birth. Average expected length of the child at the time of birth. None of these. Correct option is B, average expected length of the child of a person at the time of birth. Question 30. Which of the following do we get when we divided the national income of a country by its total population? Option A, Human Development Report. B, Gross Development Product. C, Per Capita Income. D, none of the above. Correct option is C, Per Capita Income. Question 31. Dash is considered to be one of the most important attribute of development. Option A, Per Capita Income. B, Average literacy rate. C, Health status of the people. D, Safety. Correct option is A, Per Capita Income. Question 32. Which country can be considered as a developed country in the modern world? Select your answer from the following statement. Option A, countries which have accumulated huge amount of wealth and always secures the future of their citizen. Option B, countries which are among the highest in the Human Development Index are considered to be the developed country. Option C, only rich countries are considered to be developed because people have money to buy everything needed for human beings, both material and non-material. D, Iran is a rich country and therefore it is developed country. Correct option is B. Countries which are among the highest in the Human Development Index are considered to be the developed countries. Question 33. Underemployment occurs when people, option A, are working less than what they are capable of doing. B, do not want to work. Option C, are working in a lazy manner. D, are not paid for their work. Correct option is A, are working less than what they are capable of doing. Question 34. Development goals of different section of our society can be achieved by option A, force, B, democratic political process, C, violent agitation, D, terrorism. Correct option is B, democratic political process. Question 35. The countries which per capita income of US dollar 955 or less are termed as low income countries, B, developing countries, C, developed countries, D, rich countries. Correct option is A, low income countries. Question 36. The developmental goal for a girl from a rich family is option A, to get more days of work, B, to get much freedom as her brother gets, C, to get electricity, D, to get better wages. Correct option is B, to get as much freedom as her brother gets. Question 37. Which one of the following is a developmental goal for industrialists? Option A, to get more days of work, B, to get better wages, C, to get more electricity, D, all of the above. Correct option is C, to get more electricity. Question 38. What can be the goals or aspiration of farmer who depend only on rain for growing crops? Option A, sufficient rain at the proper time. B, rich farmers in the village to provide food grains if rain fails. C, government to come forward to help them. D, none of the above. Correct option is A, sufficient rain at the proper time. Question 39. Mention national developmental goals of India. Option A, corruption free society, B, high per capita income, C, population control, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question 40. What proportion of the country is overusing their underground reserve? Option A, 1/4, B, 1/10, C, 1/3, D, half. Correct option is C, 1/3. Thank you. Thank you so much.